Hey, what's up guys? You're watching Furutech. In today's video, we are going to install the Dolby Atmos module for the Android Pie ROMs. As we know that from the long time there is no module for the Android Pie ROMs. In today's video, we are going to do the same. So let's get started for the installation and tutorial. Here I am using the OnePlus 6 with the Oxygen OS version. This module should work on any ROM from the Oreo to the Pi. You have to download the Magisk module from the link given in our video description. Then go to the Magisk application, then click on the modules, then click on the plus icon. Then you have to select the downloaded file. Go to the folder where you have downloaded that Magisk file, then click on that file. Then Magisk will install that file. You have to wait for a second. When it shows you the successful installation, you have to click on the reboot button. After reboot process get completed, you have to search for the Dolby Atmos application in the application drawer. If the process of installation was successful, you will get this application. Here I have got that application. Then I will open that. In this application you get the presetted equalizer like the movie, game, voice. You can able to set your own equalizers also under the custom tab. On the left side you get the on and off switch. Here I will enable that Dolby Atmos switch and then I will play one music file. We will see that whether the quality of music get changed or not. Now we will switch off the Dolby Atmos module. Then you will see that the sound quality got decreased, and when you enable that, the quality and the sound level get automatically increased. You can able to change your equalizer as per your requirement. So this module is successfully working. When you goes under the Magisk, you will see that the module is activated. If you want to uninstall, then delete that module. The twrp version is also available in the link description. You can use also that. We have also given the uninstaller for this module. So like this video, subscribe our channel and press bell icon. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.